TT Squad, I'm back. Ooh. I'm about to go over there. Yeah. Feel like I'm burning, but I'm not burning. Look at her. Hey, look at these. Meatballs. I made it myself. Never made homemade meatballs before ever. I'm doing a lot of stuff I never did. And it's going to be really delicious. This one y'all is finna end the results of them. Yeah. I'm just cooking them. I have so many more recipes that is high in protein. They're supposed to be high in protein, low in carbs. I looked it up on the internet. That's how I'm doing it. And never, I'm doing everything like, yeah. This is done. Bang, put it over here. Bang, put it over here. This one's a little, this one's done. Bang, put it over here. And this one's done. Bang, put it over here. With that being said, TT Squad, I'll be back. Hey, TT Squad, I'm back. I am now about to make the zucchini. This recipe to cook the zucchini requires 3 teaspoons of butter. Yes, I know I'm supposed to add butter, but that's what that's called up. But it's going to be a whole pan full of it, so it should not be that a lot. I got the zucchini already cut up because I break everything. I broke it up. I'm sorry. I broke up my everything breaking up. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm like breaking up stuff. I don't have money to be breaking up stuff. But I broke it up. I need to get I don't know what I do place away. I don't know why I threw them away, but I do a lot of place away, y'all. I don't know for what. Why? What was I thinking about? So we're gonna let this melt. While that's melting, didn't tell me how much garlic to put in it, but it do say garlic, so I'm gonna add garlic. And this garlic getting its veins on. It's getting it on. And it say fresh lemon squeezed on it. While it's cooking. You know you're supposed to soften your lemons up first. I didn't know that, so I didn't do it. So it's kind of hard to squeeze. So I'm just squeezing it. Get all that lemon juice in there. Okay. That going this way, I gotta wash my hands. I can't. Gotta wash my hands. If I don't wash my hands, I'll feel a certain type of way. Yes. Let me get my basket out. And look at it just cooking. Now all that's in there. As soon as the butter get melted, I'm gonna go ahead and add the zucchini. It's the aroma in it here smells so freaking good, y'all. It's like, yeah, it really smells good. I'm doing pre-prep for the week, so I'm gonna cook the whole thing of it. Not the whole, just about all of it. Zucchini. Yeah. Might as well just cook it. I'll cook the whole thing. Look at it just cooking and simmering. So while it's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and just stir it up in the pan like that. Oh. While it's cooking. Okay. Like 15 minutes. Then I'm supposed to sprinkle some Parmesan cheese, but they didn't say how much, so I'm just sprinkling it on it like they say, just sprinkle it on there. That's more than a sprinkle. But the aroma, you can smell the you can smell the juices from it. Just let it cook for about 15-20 minutes and just let it through. I'll be right back, TT Squad. Hey TT Squad, I'm back. Y'all should see it looks so good. I'm about to fix me a plate. It's gonna be very good. Look, y'all. This how it wind up coming out. The Häagen-Dazs bowl. Bam. Yes. Bam. It's gonna be really good. There you go. Can't even see it. Like, share, subscribe. Yes, I did it. Just about to fix it up for the rest of the week. Lunch. I'm gonna make it up for 5 days for lunch. Then I'm going to make some carb fish. But bam, gig on my plate. Bye, TT Squad. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.